Hello and welcome to my watercolor class. Today we will paint this adorable cat in watercolor, and I will explain every single step I take to create this realistic cat. This course is meant for people with intermediate level in watercolors, but if you don't have that much experience or you're just literally starting out with this medium, don't worry, I will explain every technique I use, every mix I create, every pigment I take, and basically all the materials that you need in this class, so that you can feel comfortable and confident painting with watercolors. I have been teaching watercolor for the past 5 years, and I had students of all different levels, from people who have never held a brush before to those who are pretty confident with watercolors. This allowed me to develop a very unique program of teaching watercolor to people of different levels, so that it's interesting for them to follow the process, but also challenging so that they can improve and grow with every class they take with me. So don't worry, I will guide you from the very beginning to the end through this journey. I hope you will love it and see you inside the course.